Power of Fusion: Problems and Solutions, done by Jonathan Arnold, Connor Bland, Eli Kreider, and Hayden Roberts. What are some of the problems of fusion power? From engineeringchallenges.org, human-engineered fusion has been demonstrated on a small scale. The challenge is to scale up the process to commercial proportions in an efficient, economical, and environmentally benign way. Fusion power is possible, and at its current state it can only be done on a small scale, but theoretically, fusion power can be done on a larger scale. Why is this a problem? Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are decreasing in supply. Based on the graph on the left of the slide, by the end of the decade, all of our coal supply will be gone. And in less than half of that time, all of our gas will be gone, and even less than that, our oil will be gone. The world relies on fossil fuels. Inevitably, the supply will be less than the demand. There is no definitive answer to when this will be. Fossil fuels are high in pollutants. 76% of greenhouse gas emissions in the United States comes from fossil fuels. This helps influence the decrease of the ozone layer. Nuclear reactors and why they are a problem. Nuclear reactors are extremely dangerous. There's always a constant risk of nuclear meltdowns. The slightest mistakes can cause extreme consequences. Potential solution: hybrid fusion. Hybrid fusion is the combination of fusion with fission. There's no development of new materials required. There's 4 times more power produced than conventional methods. It is more efficient because not as many neutrons are required to produce the same amount of power as you would with just regular fusion. Full scale, it is significantly smaller. Another potential solution is magnetized fusion. Magnetized target fusion is the combination of magnets with compressed heating. Several approaches are already underway. This method gives off 4 times more power than conventional methods, currently in use for small-scale experiments, such as for plasma confinement. Our last solution: ITER. ITER is a fusion generator currently under construction in France. It is worth approximately $14 billion US. There's no risk of nuclear meltdowns. This will be able to run on seawater. It produces no radioactive waste, and it will produce 100 times more power than it will take to operate. Thank you for listening to The Power of Fusion.